Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could clean your computer from viruses. So you have a Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11, are having doubt or you are sure that you have viruses and you would like to get rid of them, then this video is for you. First of all, go to Windows Search or the Search tab and type Windows Security. Click on the option to open. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. Next step, go back to your Search tab and type Settings. We want to go to updates, Windows Update, and we want to make sure that all our updates are installed and there are no pending updates. In my case, there are pending, so I will need to install them before restarting. Next step, we go back to our Windows Security and we check that virus and threat protection is in green, which means all options is enabled. If you see it in red, it will ask you to turn it on and it will give you the option. The same applies for account protection, for firewall and network, and for network protection and app and browser control. Now we will go to virus and threat protection. Under, under this, you want to scroll to the bottom, virus and threat protection updates. You want to click protection updates and you want to check for update. This operation will take a few seconds, up to 1 or 2 minutes, until it updates the database of your antivirus or the Microsoft Defender antivirus. Next step, go back. Under current threats, click on scan options. Here you will have 4 options. You have a quick scan, and it checks folders in your system where threats are commonly found. You have full scan, which checks everything in your computer. Custom scan, where you can select what exactly you want to select. You want to scan a file, a USB key, an external hard drive, whatsoever. And Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline. This option restarts your computer and it takes 15 minutes to be completed, but it removes all the viruses from your computer. So if you want, you can click on it. But for me, I would just select for now quick scan since my computer has been cleaned recently. So choose any option suits you and click scan now. The scan operation will take between few seconds to up to few minutes, even to 1 hour, depending on few factors. First of all, how fast is your computer? What kind of hard disk is you are using, an SSD or or a classical hard disk, and also how big it is, and also how much data you have there. For example, in my case, it's an SSD, so it shouldn't take for more than few seconds. But normally it doesn't take more than 1 hour if you have, let's say, 1 TB of data in a very old, slow hard disk. But in most cases, it will take maximum 15 minutes. Once done, you'll be prompted with a message telling you Microsoft Defender Antivirus scanned your device, and below it you will see 2 options. Either no new threats were found, you can just click dismiss, or you will be prompted to take an action on files which are infected. You will be asked to either keep them in quarantine, or even remove them, or allow them to be back or to be used. So for now, just click dismiss. That's all for this option, as it's straightforward and easy to use. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us an email or leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and you can also select a subscription to become part of our family, or you can just click subscribe to be a follower. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.